Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your favorite activities on the Fatmap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile button that you can find at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the fourth button, profile, then tap on settings, click on favorite activities, which is the fifth option in the account section. And here you can select from these popular activities, but as you scroll down you can see them organized into distinct categories such as food, bike, climbing, water, motorized, and so on. So tap on relevant one that you would like to add. As you can see, you have the chance to add more than one. They are marked with this check mark icon. After selecting all of your favorite activities, tap on the save button that you can find down below on the right side corner. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.